Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. So today we discuss about XJTU University CSC Scholarship 2020 has been announced. So type in Google XJTU CSC Scholarship 2021. Click on the first link you can see here, 2021. Open this link, so you can see it's for 2020-2021. So don't worry about this, it's for 2021 and 2022. So I'll tell you how. So I think network is a little bit slow. So after opening this, you can see here 2021 and 2022 CSC Scholarship, XJTU CSC Scholarship and XJTU University Scholarship. So first we discuss University CSC Scholarship, and after that we come to the University Scholarship, XJTU University Scholarship. So what's my experience and my friend's experience, all these things are included in this video. So let's start. So first, if you think that you can get every scholarships update, then click here. So you can see lock option. So after notification, allow it to, if your notification is block or ask default, so click on allow, or here is the official notification. So unsubscribe it first. I will tell for just for you. So I click again on and subscribe it. So if you are already subscribed, then it's okay. If you didn't subscribe yet, then click here and get subscribed. So I already subscribed, so and it's shown unsubscribe. So you subscribe it, and every scholarship with admissions has been started in future, so you can get notifications. So let's start. XJTU University XJTU Scholarship. Here, Chinese government scholarship, fully funded scholarship. For this is for master and for PhD students only, not for undergraduates. Okay, and fully funded 3000 RMB for masters and 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply, no need to send hard copies. According to the official notification, the scholarship has been started. Okay, and the deadline is, the scholarship started from 15th of November 2022 March 15th 2021. Okay, I'll show you the official advertisement of XJTU as well. So eligibility criteria, you can see all international students can apply. This is for master and PhD students, and master age limit is 35 years, and for PhD age limit is 40. Okay, and English proficiency certificate is, you can apply with English proficiency certificate. So it's not mandatory. So how do you apply for this? First, you fill CSC online application form. Here is the link, and if you don't have any idea about how you fill CSC online application form, click here to watch the video. And after filling CSC online application form, fill XJTU online application form, click here. So here is the video. You can fill every university online application form for scholarship, so click here to watch video in English. Okay, and upload all required documents. No need to send hard copies. 800 RMB application fee, and your need to pay application fee on that time when your initial review has been passed. And it's not mandatory that you must pay application fee before applying or after applying. They tell you after, when you pass the initial review, your status has been shown on your status will be shown. So on your own online portal, and then you can check. And after how you pay the fee, they will tell you in online portal. Okay, they can give you the bank detail, and the bank detail is available on here. So I will tell you on this website, so don't worry about this. So XJTU, we will discuss about that. CS scholarship. Okay, and check your status. Daily result will be announced at the end of June or early July. So document released. Here is highest diploma certificate, notarized copy, and transcript of highest education, notarized copy. If you are still studying and in 7th or 8th semester, then you must provide hope certificate and transcript as well. So if you are graduated and you don't get your degree, still your degree is in pending, so you can apply with provisional certificate. Okay, study plan or research plan 800 for 800 words for master and 1500 words for PhD students. Click here to download the format. Okay, and this format is only for PhD students, not for master students. So master students can make study plan according to your station. Okay, and the form will be downloaded, so it's recently downloaded and also downloaded already. So click here to open. I'll try to open this form. So it's in documents file, the DOS file. So you can check here. Here is the you must make study plan according to this format. So given name, surname, given name, school and department, and these kind of things. All these you can must prepare according to these headings: basic research proposal, and these kind of things. Okay, this is for master student, PhD students only. Okay, no, the original recommendation letters, here is the detail, and click here to download. If you are please provide here is a mention here, please provide Xi'an Jiaotang University recommendation letter from potential supervisor as one of the 2 recommendation letters. Click here to download. Okay, click here to download the format. Okay, passport photocopy, upload original physical examination form with blood test report. So here is the thing: if you don't have blood test report and you just upload physical examination form, then your application will not be accepted. So must blood test report is mandatory. Certificate of no criminal record here, and English proficiency certificate. Arts is not mandatory. Acceptance letter is optional, not mandatory. I'll give the link of XJTU CSC Scholarship announcement in this link. Okay, here's the link. So I show you in this video which majors they required, and means which they in which major they offer CSC scholarship, and which major is in Chinese and which major is in English. So I will tell you in this video. So now we discuss this is the Xi'an Jiaotang XJTU CSC scholarship. Now we discuss Xi'an Jiaotang University scholarship. Click here and open this link. Okay, after clicking on this, you can see here Xi'an Jiaotang University scholarship 2021 and 2022. So here is the detail. Okay, Xi'an Jiaotang University, this is for master and PhD students only, fully funded scholarship, and 3000 RMB for master, and this is A category scholarship, and this is Xi'an XJTU University scholarship divided into A, B, C categories. So for master, I think I'm not sure, but my friends got scholarships, so I'm little bit confused about that, how much they get. So what is the exact RMB scholarship? So means in Italy different 500 difference. So don't worry, it's fully funded scholarship. You no need to pay any tuition fee or any. It's above than 2000 RMB, not less than. Okay, for A category 3000 RMB, and for B category A category 3000 RMB for master, and for PhD A category I think 4500 RMB for PhD A category. Okay, and for masters B category 2500, and C category is 1700 or 2000 I think. Okay, so as like 3500 RMB for PhD and 3000 RMB for 3500 RMB B category and 3000 RMB A category, C category scholarship for PhD students. So it's enough for you to survive here. But for master I think or for PhD as well, they make a new campus for new students. So when you come there, and CSC scholarship student, not this is only for master students. Master students need to pay 5500 RMB, 5500 RMB, as you can say 5500 RMB dormitory fee every 6 months you need to pay. Okay, so it's not a big deal, so you can pay easily. So otherwise it's totally fully funded scholarship, so you can manage it during your scholarship duration, and you can enjoy you must enjoy 2500 RMB or 3000 RMB scholarships. Okay, and here is the detail. The deadline is same like CSC 15. This started from 15th of November to March 15th. All these things are same, but in case of XJTU scholarship, you no need to fill CSC scholarship application form. But the main thing and the main the main benefit of this is that if you apply for CSC scholarship, so you didn't apply for XJTU scholarship separately. So if for example if you not get CSC scholarship, then your application will be considered as automatically your application will be considered as university scholarship, so XJTU scholarship. So don't worry about this if you didn't get CSC scholarship. Okay, so the main benefit of this scholarship is well. Okay, and all these things are same, and all these things having like CSC scholarships. Okay, but if those students who want to apply for just for XJTU scholarship, then you can apply. So now we discuss about the official advertisement. If anyone says that no admissions are not started in XJTU, so they never mention on their website. So this is the official workbook for postgraduate scholarship programs, so you can see. Okay, so I'll give the link of this workbook on online application portal. So XJTU CSC scholarship and XJTU scholarship, I think it's also included in this XJTU university scholarship. Okay, so I will give you the agency number. I didn't put agency number in this form, so here so I'll put this form, this here, this agency number, so don't worry about this. So all these things, so the main purpose of this story is that I will show you which majors they offer in English. So English medium program, same in French and Japanese. So English medium, so this is for English medium, the master programs. So you can see mechanical, energy and power, and these kind of things, and all these, and you can see, and all these things. Okay, and other thing is that this is for PhD doctoral programs. This is in English, and they offer Chinese medium programs. Here is Chinese medium program. So these are the list, so check your major. So the other benefit of this scholarship, so if you apply for CSC scholarship and then get CSC scholarship, and your application will be considered as a consider as a XJTU scholarship, then if your major is in Chinese, then 1 year Chinese language will be taught through the university. So the expenses of 1 year language Chinese will be covered by the university. So this is the benefit of this scholarship. Okay, hope so you understand this. Now we come to the university portal. So here is the university portal. You can check, here is the status. You can check after filling submitting your university application form, your status shown like in process, not filled in. Okay, so this is my last year application, so this is just for demo. The original thing is another one. So click on home button. So after clicking on home button, I will tell you click on online application form. After clicking in online application form, you can click on direct application form applications. After clicking on this, I select Chinese government scholarship application form. The undergraduate option will show here, but it's not working. So this is for choose a program. So I select master degree programs and click on next option. Okay, after clicking on this, this is a red shown like red option. So it means when I click on apply, it shows the admission is not started, so the application is closed. So soon, within 1 and 2 days, it's open. Dude, I just make video just following the official announcement of 2021. So I don't, after official announcement, I didn't make videos. So those students who says this university scholarship has been started, and this even they not started CSC scholarship, so I just make those videos whose official and according to official announcement their application will be started. So I click on home option. After clicking on this, I will show you the last year application form, and click on online application. After clicking on online application, you can see here I click on view form. Okay, here is the view form, and you can see that last year required documents: photocopy of passport, physical application form for Chinese government scholarship, bachelor degree, bachelor transcript, recommendation letters, research plan, study plan, English proficiency certificate, physical examination form, report, okay, and no criminal certificate record. These are the documents which they required last year. If you have acceptance letter and maybe they add the option other supporting documents, then upload it, otherwise leave it. Okay, now hope so everything will be cleared. So if you want to get latest update, then click on CSC scholarship admission, visit CSC guide official website in Google, and type in Google and visit cscguideofficial.com. So here is the universities list which start CSC scholarship admissions and university scholarship admission as well. Chicheng University, Chicheng Tashwe, and the other was in Zhejiang University scholarship, South China University, SCUT, and these kind of things that you can see here. So second one, three there are 5 pages. So follow this procedure and keep visiting cscguideofficial.com. I will give the link of the official announcement here. So this is the old one, and I'll give you put in this format and this place. So don't worry about this, miss you don't miss anything. Good luck and take care of yourself. We met you in the next video. Laugh.